The entrance, isn't it?
Front of us, guys. It's North and South in June. Look at that old camp.
This ain't the length of that field, is it?
Cool. You're right, come on, guys. We'll bring your tunnels. Even if it is trying to get focused. Yeah, goes on. Yeah, goes on. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, guys. There we go. Shit. I think I might go back there and start over. Go to the road.
Sort of one you'd love.
Kind of right top.
Yeah. It's me again.
Is that quick, was it?
Yeah, it's not that big, is it?
Yeah, there we go. There we go. Your cameras in the ring. Mine down there. There's the tunnel. Touchy roots.
So bright!
Don't go into the light carrier. My torch is starting to fade as well now. Recesses. Yeah. What I think you're going to do from this, all the way from the south coast. We've got some good ones today. Power buckets look nice. Emergency exit, look. Yeah.
Exactly the same
Cut the shut. Yeah.
curve.
Right, okay.
That's the shape of the planks of wood they used, isn't it?
And
Yeah.
what they've done here, they did on the sides. And you can
Right.
actually see the grain of wood.
Yeah.
That's in the top.
It's only small, isn't it?
It's tiny. Another sealed up.
Yeah.
The brick's obviously the entrances, isn't it?
Sorry?
The brickwork's the entrances.
Yeah, but you went bricked up, yeah.
Slightly weird though, it's still got the seeking.
Yeah, it's still got the metal.
Yeah, we haven't got this in Torfield.
Right. The one at the, what's it, Grove Park, where the footballers go. That's got the old seating with the toilet bit underneath them. Oh yeah. Yes, some toilets. There's the ventilation here. It'll just come this way. Yeah. So it's up this way. Yeah, there's that's Kev. It's also come up north south and down south today.
I'm lost.
And then we also have a nice storm with Kev.
Cabling.
Cabling, yeah. Cool.
Break your neck.
Careful, mate.
Get that on video.
And then also have the one like military random bases as well. So we've got the Luton air raid shelters.
Old entrance.
Yeah, they are, in there. Bricked up, yeah. Yeah. Take a photo. Cool. Right. So I use your photo, see? Yeah. Well, there you go, guys. That's that.
On your head.
Well, catch you all again soon. We'll see you all again later. Come on, subscribe.
What's that bag?
You got plenty of things there? What? All the way around here? Yeah. You go down there as well? Yeah. 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 You get the can on the floor then? Yeah. Cool. Got a usual set that comes to it.
See the lady's ship?
No.
Or the bonnet next to it? Oh.
Oh yeah, down there. Yeah. Someone's dog ball down here as well.
There's a bike.
Yeah.
Yeah. Got a shoe.
Squeezing him.
Yes, that's it. There's only one now. You don't think someone...
Collected it.
I thought it was as big as a field, you said.
It is about.
It's not.
Do you not reckon?
No way.
Can someone get the bag?
Probably
Oh, that's smelling even fresher now. When the user's disturbed, you have.
It's probably not. This field looks massive.
Yeah, you expect it to be bigger, wouldn't you?
See, when you look at the plans, it does cover most of the field.
Right.
It doesn't seem it when you're
Yeah.
down there. But yeah, we've seen all the plans for all of the Luton ones.
Right.
That's how we found most of them. There goes his torch.
Whose torch?
Easy.
Nisi, you right?
He dropped it on halfway out the ladder, dropped his torch. So
Oh, and that mud as well.
Yeah.
Blinding the fucker.
You want me,
That's why he dropped his
you
torch.
want me to get your torch?
Right. He's got it round his wrist now.
Yeah, watch your hand, mate.
Watch that shit just there.
We're back on it.
That was the top squeeze.